what's going on. So I swear, anytime I vlog at home, these roosters just always choose to make the most noise. Anyways, I just got home from an interview. This is actually my third interview with the same company, and this time I got through, and I'm just waiting. I'm gonna now wait on them to tell me when we have orientation and training to begin. But yeah, I'm glad for that, because to be honest, these roosters, man. But this last time I was not nervous one bit. I just went in, I'm like, hey, whatever happens happens. So I just went in and I answered my questions like a boss, and yeah, got the job. So oh my god, these roosters. Oh, people might think that I live in the country, but to be honest, this is Kingston, and these roosters are just so annoying. Like, all the time they were quiet. As soon as I took out the camera, they just start making bear noise. Just like if I start singing, they just start to crow. Like, Mishka don't sing because he can't sing, so they crow. So it's either two times that they choose to make noise. Anyways, for today, now I'm home. I'm gonna get some rest, because later I'm taking you guys to my first Oktoberfest. The German Society, the Jamaican German Society to be exact, is having their annual Oktoberfest celebration in Kingston, and I am going to go. To be honest, I'm actually going to work, because I have a shift to work. I'm gonna be working playing bucket and ball, in charge of bucket and ball, and I've never played that game before, but I think it will be fun. And I'm gonna take you guys. It's actually my first time experiencing Oktoberfest. Although I went to German classes, I never ever got to go to Oktoberfest, but this time I'm going. I'm really excited. It should have been last week, however they changed it because we had a lot of rain last week, so they canceled it until this week. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited for bringing you guys, and I hope it's fun, to be honest. I'm a bit sad though, because I won't be able to drink any liquor, and I wanted to drink beer and get drunk, but so boo hoo hoo. I hope they have ginger ale though, because I tasted some of their ginger ale the other day and it was but yeah, let's just see if I keep that end of the bargain of not drinking. I don't know if I can really go see so much beer and just it's gonna be temptation. But yeah, I'm going there at 8 tonight. It starts at 8. I forgot where it is, but when I get there, I'll put the place where it's kept somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some rest. I'm tired and I'm totally annoyed by these roosters. So yeah, I'm gonna get some rest and I'll see you guys later. So yeah, this is what the Jamaican German Society Oktoberfest looks like. So here Nadine is working at the ticket booth. It's so crazy. But yeah, you know Sika yet?
No. She come with you?
No, but she's supposed to still leave out. I forgot to text her.
Food tickets? The toilet? Yeah, it's over there, and then you turn to the right.
From what time you reach? No, it's alright. What time you reach?
7 o'clock.
Alright, Jesus, peace and give me a little space to breathe.
I did ask you if it's too tight,
Okay, it's okay.
Look at mine. Tight?
No, it's alright. It's okay.
See, your hand's too small, like me.
Oh gosh.
Hi, you stealing my...
You have to take a photo with us?
Yes, I'm obliged. Yes, I'm sorry. No, I have to take a
Jason.
photo of you too.
Okay.
You want? Come, you want to enter? By the way, we have a fabulous prize here. Don't think this is all a joke.
Jamaican German Society.
This party has the best prizes ever. The prize I'm told is either some big
Where do
bowl
I
of
find
beer
the bar for
or a
Flensburger?
5-liter keg of beer
Right there, right in the corner.
for this particular prize. Do we have any more entries? Mr. Oktoberfest Legend, you want to enter? You want? All right. Let's hear it for Nico. Close. Close. Let's hear it for Kurt. Alisa? Nico? Find some nice ladies. Kurt. Kurt is the winner of some beer. Like he needs any more beer. Go and collect your prize. I do. No, we're not getting married. You don't say I do. Anyway, you know President Marlene. She'll have the prize for you. And you won. Congratulations, sir. Name of the artist. Nas, right? Whatever. You're Nas. And you are? Breathe. Breathe. B-R-E-E. Breathe. And you're another contestant. Yeah. What's her name? Any male dancers to do this happy dance? What's your name? Alicia. Very good. We have 3 females. Do we have a male?
You sure don't want to go?
Do we have any males? Flex! Where are you? Flex. Where's Flex? Flex.
There is Flex running to the front.
Flex, you that? Come in at this Flex. Ivan. Boris Ivan.
This is going to be interesting.
Now, who was it that said I wasn't to call their name again? No, at least not right now. All right. Okay. Are we ready? Ivan, Flex, put away your phone, man. Tell her in a dancing contest. You soon text her. Sorry, you soon text her. You want a condor cap too? All right. Mr. Music Man. Get to it. Woo! To vote soon, so pay attention. Line up, one line. All right. Who is the winner?
Nas.
I did not hear. I didn't hear it. Did Ivan win? Did Lisha win? Yeah! Lisha won. Is that a yes? Not sure. Did Bray win? Alright, Bray, that was clear. I didn't hear any yeses. Alright, did Tex win? Tex didn't win?
No.
Alright, says Ida, Lisha, or Nas. Did Lisha win? I think her cheering section just have a bigger mouth to me. Did Nas win? Thank you. Only few dance. Only few dance. Next. Huh? Huh? I think that both you want to have a dancer?
And this is Kenny. Yeah.
Boy, you catch a winning show.
Winning show.
On a wine box.
Hold on. Almost. But I should be working, but he doesn't want to give me my balls. You're not ready to be my partner for tonight. You're going to be my partner for tonight. Got it here?
Get from there.
Look at how big it is. How much of this you had already? 3? Yeah.
We're going to ask them to walk around the table.
What? No.
Beers,
Them psych up, them ready.
musical
Just drink.
beers.
And then start drinking.
What? What saying?
Does everybody understand?
No. Go over
Does
here.
everybody understand?
No.
Musical beers, basically musical beers.
No.
And then when the music stops, we'll have a beer and start drinking.
Okay.
The judges are waiting
This one,
and
will be like,
courts.
this one you're getting up on the floor.
Okay?
All right.
Courts, are you ready?
I'm not in agreement with this. These rules, I am not in agreement with. She drank that one. That was hers.
Go!
Who's the winner? The winner. What's her name? What's her name? Who's the winner? What's the winner? Who's the winner? Praise the winner. The judge says praise the winner. Please collect your prize from the prize stand. Mr. Music, play. You have another 2 minutes without
Big up you, I couldn't do that
I'm gonna go and make him happy come back. And just hit a young make a whole man catch out that ya. Pop shot shots and a traffic lover. Every nothing up when we come together. We feel so good thinking of this magic moment. So hard up on the roof. The DJ make you want to move. Things are there to come through. Things like them love you. So hard. Everybody we are to the parachute road. You drop and we come, then you do the thing again. When we say the again, then you complain. Then your back skip your foot and then you grab up your chain. So we must be back with it how we feel. When things are in the plane. Like a runaway train, everybody at the wagon and it till them put train. None of the wagon walk to shade, everybody watch and the wagon campaign. When every posse and crew fear, president try to keep them up. I'm the one that live in them up. No one that tell me say you can't. If I get no one that tell me say you can't. No tell me say you can't. No one that tell me say you can't. Dance and wait if you want. You can move if you want. To the bombs, everybody fear to live in the bombs. To the bombs,
wanna try some?
No.
5.
Try to get it.
Why is it so many?
It's unwinnable.
Oh, let me ask you what's it in German now. Eins,
Eins, zwei. What? Eins, zwei.
155.
Oh,
155.
Has to bounce off the board, right?
no, you don't have to bounce it off the board. You can just try to get it in the bucket.
Can go directly?
You can go directly in the bucket.
155. Fair warning. Where's the ticket?
Woo!
Going once.
Almost
Weekend
got
for
it.
two at the
Good second dart! Good second dart! That was a good second dart.
Okay. Like the second one. Wait. Second one.
Second dart was good. It's on the board. It's close to the bullseye.
And the third one. And the third one. It's broken.
Second dart was great. Wonderful work. Good work. That second dart was great. Good second dart. Wonderful second dart.
Oh my God. I didn't get it. Say hi to my vlog. Say hello to my vlog.
She run out of it every 5 minutes. Me tell her wanna.
Whoa, hey, let's go. Anything?
Give her a hand. Congrats.
She won the weekend for two.
That's mine. She works with me. She's a thief, a liar, and she's very short.
Nisha won the weekend for two.
Can't do that. Where is she?
Alright, that's enough shaking, guys.
I'm still at work though. I'm still at work, guys, and it's after 12, but I don't mind it. I'm having fun. That was Simon Crossing a while ago.
That's her.
That's her.
Half.
My time contest, my wife, I dare you. So I just got home and it was a absolutely great night. I have to admit that my first experience of Oktoberfest was absolutely lovely. I know that it's totally different than what they have in Germany, but it's just our Oktoberfest, Jamaican style, you know. And it was awesome. I absolutely loved the vibe. I loved the environment, and everybody was just having fun. And I just hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wish you guys were here. And I don't know. Thank you guys for watching though, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. See you soon. Bye.